Hi there, welcome to Harry's World of Words and Phrases and English in a Minute. Today we're looking at pronouns, and in particular the pronouns who, whose and whom, the differences between them and how we use them. As I said, they're all pronouns but with some differences. Who, for example, is the subjective pronoun, and we use that when we're talking about he, she or they. Whom is an objective pronoun, and we use that when we're talking about him and her. And then whose, W-H-O-S-E, is the possessive pronoun that we use when we're talking about his, hers, ours. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Who, as I said, is the subjective pronoun, and it's all about action, somebody doing the action. Who did the action? Who wrote the letter? Who knocked on the door? Who is joining us next week? Okay, and whom is a objective pronoun, and it's about somebody receiving the action. Whom did you invite to the party? Whom did they select as the new president? And then whose, as we said, is a possessive pronoun, so it's about belonging. We're trying to find out who this belongs to. Whose pen is this? Whose jacket is this? Whose car was that? Okay, so who, whom and whose, all about pronouns. So as always, make sure you subscribe to our channel and join us on www.englishlessonviaskype.com, and we'll catch up with you soon.